Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Pure Steam Steam Mop Cleaner. The Pure Steam 10-in-1 Steam Mop was easy, efficient, and multifunctional. When the 12.8-ounce tank is fully charged, it heats up in just 17 seconds and may run for up to 25 minutes. It contains an adjustable dial that controls steam production, as well as simple setup instructions. When the water tank runs out of water, it will also vibrate and emit a beeping sound. It comes with 7 attachments, making it a true all-in-one cleaning tool for clothing, windows, shower tiles, and furniture. This mop head, however, is fairly large, making thorough floor cleaning difficult. However, we discovered that its numerous attachments and handheld features compensate for the size of the main head. Cleans almost everything. Nobody enjoys cleaning. However, with our 10-in-1 steam mop, you can clean the entire house fast and simply, leaving it cleaner and fresher than before. Use the built-in handheld steam cleaner to clean more than just floors, or use the flexible hose to put the cleaning power of steam in the palm of your hand. Works well as a steam mop, carpet cleaner, steam cleaner, handheld garment steamer, window, mirror, and glass cleaner, and many other things. Best steam cleaner for tile and hardwood, cleans without chemicals, and leaves floors looking new and clean. Comes with a unique surface scrubber for thorough cleaning from top to bottom. Glass, sealed stone, stainless steel, and sealed tile/grout are all good choices. For details, let's watch more. Number 2 in this best spin mop list is Swiffer Wet Jet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop. The Swiffer Wet Jet delivers the same ease as the popular Swiffer Sweeper, but it has more cleaning power due to its onboard cleaning solution. You can spray the solution onto the floor using a button on the handle, and then use the disposable cleaning pads to trap dirt and grime. The Swiffer Wet Jet Starter Kit also includes a bottle of cleaning solution and batteries, which are important because the spray mop operates on 4 AA batteries. Overall, setting up this product is simple. Another feature we liked is the curved handle, which makes it easier to hold and direct the mop around the floor and into corners. Swiffer's Wet Jet Floor Spray Mop cleans practically any floor in your home. This all-in-one mopping device breaks up and dissolves stubborn messes with a unique dual nozzle sprayer for a thorough clean. Its cleaning solution loosens and lifts dirt and grime off the floor, drawing dirt and grime into the wet jet pad and locking it away for good. The absorb and lock strip trap dirt and filth deep within the pad, preventing it from being pushed around. Our third choice is O-Cedar Easy Ring Rinse Clean Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Rinse Clean Spin Mop and Bucket System is an ingenious take on the standard string mop. It comes with a customized bucket with a pedal-powered compartment that spins water out of your mop fast and easily. During our testing, we discovered that the microfiber mop works fast and efficiently on huge spills, easily soaking up any liquid stains. Our microfiber mops offer a deep cleaning solution for all of your house and floor cleaning needs, removing dirt, grime, and 99% of bacteria with simply water. Our built-in pedal enables for hands-free wringing and allows you to adjust the moisture level on your flooring. The Easy Ring Rinse Clean Microfiber Mop Head is machine washable and reusable, saving you time and money on cleaning. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Rinse Clean Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System uses our proprietary dual-chamber bucket technology, which features separate clean and dirty water tanks, allowing you to mop with clean water all the time. It is suitable for use on all hard floor surfaces, including finished hardwood, wood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and many more. Hands-free wringing and controlled water release are possible with the foot-activated spinning wringer. No more stooping or soiled hands. Triangle-shaped mop head for easy maneuverability and cleaning in corners. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best spin mop list is Boscheng Hands-Free Flat Floor Mop. The Boscheng mop is everything you might want in a cleaning tool. It works well on most types of flooring, easily cleaning up both wet and dry stains, and it comes with an intelligent bucket that wrings out the head for you. The flat mop cleaned up fruit juice, barbecue sauce, damp soil, and dry paprika thoroughly and without any effort. This mop comes with 3 washable and dryable microfiber pads. The bucket has 2 compartments, one for water and soap and another for wringing out. The microfiber pads are attached with Velcro, and we liked how simple it was to set up and how low maintenance it was. Boscheng flat floor mops have 360 degrees rotatable rectangular mop heads, making them better than triangle and round mops for cleaning corners and narrow places. Ideal for cleaning floors and windows in the home and workplace. Without touching, our flat mop head can automatically rebound within 30 degrees. It can efficiently keep dirt away from your hands. The bucket has 2 grooves, one for clean and one for dry. 2 scraping blades that move up and down will help to clean the mop or control the level of wetness fast and effectively. All of the components are small enough to fit easily into the bucket. When not in use, just store household cleaning supplies in a corner and never worry about taking up too much space. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Swiffer Sweeper 2-in-1 Mops. You may be aware that the Swiffer Sweeper is a popular choice for both wet and dry mopping, and it certainly lived up to the hype during our tests. This lightweight mop is simple to assemble, and you can't beat the ease of just discarding the disposable cleaning cloths when you're finished. Swiffer refills are recyclable. Simply print a free shipping label from TerraCycle and ship your refills to a new life to be rewarded. A cleaning and mopping implement with 2 functions. The dry sweeping cloth contains deep ridges and grooves that adhere to the surface of your floor, trapping and locking dirt, dust, and hair, whereas the wet mopping pad dissolves dirt and grime and traps it away, giving you an incredible clean. The bucket contains a 2-tank system, one for continuously refilling fresh water from the outer bucket and the other with a hands-free spinning wringer operated by a foot pedal to keep the mop head clean and dry. The mop head's triangle-shaped base also makes it easier to maneuver and get into tight spots. We particularly liked how easily this mop removes stains and how simple it is to remove and replace the mop head.